All right, today we're going to talk about what to do to prepare in advance of your Connect upgrade. So with release 14 going to Connect, and the 14.2 is no longer going to be supported after September 2020. So currently that gives us, it's February, it gives us 7 months till it is no longer supported. So first thing is a requirement to upgrade any of your 32-bit OSs, the servers, the HQ DVS, to 64-bit OS servers. Now, if you're on a virtual infrastructure, this is going to be easier to do, but there's actually a methodology to it, so contact your local support partner to help you in upgrading those in advance. You also want to ensure that all 14.2 systems are upgraded to the latest version of 14.2. So what Mitel has advised, and as of this recording, it's currently GA 19.50.1000.0 or 50.1000.0. And before we make that leap to the Connect version, you want to get up to the latest version of 14.2. Now, depending on your partner at Intelligence, what we can do is we can do that upgrade during the migration, during the process. So we'll have to upgrade to 14.2 to the latest version, which can be done the day or the night of, or we can do it in advance. It is just a build upgrade, so there's not a lot of product features, so there's not going to be a lot of changes for the end users. It's mostly just going to be a build upgrade to the latest version. And really, this is to facilitate the database cleanup that occurs during the upgrade to My Voice Connect. If you're moving systems directly to My Voice Connect, only the servers, HQ, DVS, and appliances will require an upgrade to 14.2 GA30. And this is exactly what I basically said, was that have it upgraded to the latest version before upgrading to Mitel Connect. Now, it's also requested that you ensure that your 14.2 installation is running on the same platform, hardware and OS, that will be used for your My Voice Connect installation, which means you're not going to be throwing in a migration at the same time. What they're asking is that like for like. So your hardware and OS on your Connect is going to be the same that's running on 14.2, and then you can do the migrations after this upgrade has completed. Now, if it's not running on the same version or the same platform used for My Voice Connect, you must move your 14.2 system to the appropriate platform. So what they're saying is if you're going to go to Connect and it's going to go to, let's say, as previous slide, to a 64-bit OS on Connect, then you need to migrate your 14.2 to that 64 before you upgrade. And then again, if you're looking to go to Windows 2016, it can only basically happen after your Connect upgrade has completed. The other thing is ensure that your 14.2 installation uses the same drive. So if you're planning on upgrading to Connect and you've got a new server infrastructure or virtualization and you're on the C drive and you want to put on the D drive, make sure that it's going to go on the same drive. Now, let's say that you took over and you're now looking at the ability to put, you're going to keep your C drive just maybe 50 gigs and have operating system on it, and then you're going to move all the Shoreline data folders to the D drive. What they recommend is prior to doing that on 14.2, uninstall, reinstall, and move your folders then before doing the upgrade to Connect, because whatever's on C and D has to be the same when you're on 14.2. Go to My Voice Connect. Now, one note, customers with a heavy dependence on Mitel Workgroup Monitor application, there isn't really a solution for it right now. So what they've asked is to delay the migration until My Voice Connect figures out what the problem is or how to fix the problem. So if you are using the Mitel Workgroup Monitor application and you got a huge dependence on it, you don't want to delay. Sorry, you will delay, and you don't want to migrate to My Voice Connect until further notice. If you're not using it or it doesn't really matter, it's not business critical, then you can actually upgrade and just realize that it's going to be a while before that works. So what we just covered today are some of the things that you may want to do in advance. If your partner like Intelligence is doing your Connect upgrade, these are things that can be done ahead of time, the weeks before, get your system ready to go. This can all be done during regular business hours if you can, which lessens the amount of professional services you might have to incur after hours if you can do this during the day. So these are the things that you want to take a look at in preparing yourself for upgrading to the latest version of Connect, which is from 14.2, the upgrade to Connect.